see how well this mic works. This will be our test ride. Don't know how much noise it's going to pick up with my visor open. This helmet has a double visor. I've got the sunscreen I can drop down. And then the full face visor. With the mic mounted up so high, I'm not going to pick up a whole lot of wind noise. But we'll see. Take this short ride over to buy dinner, or go buy stuff to make dinner. Funny, live in such a big town as, well, I went into Goodyear, Avondale, all that, looking for this mic. It's funny living in such a big area that nobody carries them. I was even told to go try Guitar Center. Oh yeah, they had them. You want to pay almost $100 for one. I thought was a little ridiculous. Even told the gentleman what I was doing, and he's trying to sell me a boom microphone. It's like, I have to wear it under a helmet? Also trying to sell me a wireless setup, but then he says, well, it needs power. I'm like, well, how's that gonna work? I guess just wasn't really understanding what I was trying to do. So, like in my other video, I hope this one's just not too sensitive. Picks up all the frickin' wind noise. That would kind of suck. I imagine it's going to pick up quite a bit when I have my visor open. We'll see. Hopefully it's not too bad. I guess I really didn't pick the best of places to mount it because I can see it. But kind of stuck with it because I like the modular helmet. Especially being down here in Arizona where it's so hot. Sitting at a light, I can lift the whole face up and it's not too bad to wear the helmet. Also went with the G-Max 54S because there's like 9 vents in it. I mean, I can feel the ventilation blowing on my head right now, and we're only doing, 50. Yeah, you didn't see that. there's vents all over this helmet. It's nice when it's 120 out and you're trying to ride. And most of them are closable, so not too bad. And on another note, silly me, been having problems with my camera. Come to find out, as always, operator error. I'd heard people talk about when you have the Wi-Fi on, because I'm using a remote, that the battery life on the camera sucks. Well, that'll be fixed tomorrow, but yeah, they're right, it does. I got maybe an hour, maybe an hour out of my camera today and it was dead. Couldn't figure out why. Well, duh. Gotta be smarter than the parts you're working with, and in my case, that's a little complicated. It starts having problems when you turn it off or stop recording, or sometimes while recording. I guess the Wi-Fi in the camera turns itself off if the battery gets too low. Didn't know that, but that's been my problem. So, hence being smarter than the parts you're working with. Well, I imagine you hear me pretty good with the visor down. I don't know how well you're going to hear me with the visor up. Bad lady. Ooh. Popo. I imagine this place is a frickin' nut house right now. Really? Nice bike. So, catch you in a few.